In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your homepage title tag in WordPress. Whether you're looking to improve your website's SEO, make your site more user-friendly, or simply update your branding, changing the title tag on your homepage is an essential step. The title tag is what search engines and visitors see when they find your site, so keeping it relevant and optimized is key. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to update your homepage title tag in just a few simple steps. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will take you to the WordPress login interface. Now, instead of manually entering your credentials, I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This method is both convenient and secure, as it allows you to use your Google account to access WordPress. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one that's linked to your WordPress site. Choosing the correct account is important because it ensures you're accessing the right WordPress dashboard and avoids any issues down the road. After you've selected your account, complete the authentication process. Depending on your setup, this might involve entering your Google password or verifying your identity with two-factor authentication. Once that's done, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're in the WordPress dashboard, let's move on to the next step. Navigate to the Pages section. You can find this on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. The Pages section is where all the pages of your site are stored, including your homepage. This is the area where we'll make the necessary changes. Scroll through the list of pages until you locate your homepage. If you have a lot of pages, you may need to use the search bar at the top to find it more quickly. Once you see the title of your homepage, hover your mouse over it. This will reveal several options beneath the page title. Look for the one labeled Quick Edit and click on it. This will open a small editing panel directly on the same page. In the Quick Edit panel, locate the field labeled Slug. The slug is essentially the part of your website's URL that identifies the specific page. Updating this field will allow you to change the title tag of your homepage. When entering your new slug, make sure it's descriptive and optimized for search engines. For example, if your homepage is about a graphic design business, you might want to use a slug like Graphic Design Services instead of something generic like Homepage. This helps search engines better understand what your site is about, which can improve your rankings. Once you've entered the new slug, double-check it to ensure there are no typos or unnecessary spaces. When you're happy with your changes, click the Update button at the bottom of the Quick Edit panel. This saves your changes and updates the homepage title tag for both visitors and search engines. And that's it. You've successfully updated your homepage title tag in WordPress. This small but powerful change can make a big difference in how your site appears in search results and how visitors perceive your brand. If you have any questions or additional tips about managing WordPress pages, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.